PC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a recruitment update from Amazon. So Amazon is again hiring for seller support associate. This job update they have posted in the site on September 26th. So this is a very recent update. If you are interested, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So there is a recruitment happening for seller support associate. Now, what is actually seller support associate? We know that Amazon is a selling platform. It is an online selling platform actually. And there's actually a lot of persons or companies or firms or merchants who are interested in selling their products on Amazon, right? So you are going to assist them. That is the nature of job. Okay, so that is the very brief about what is a seller support associate. So if they are actually facing some problems in using the site, or if they are facing some problems in marketing their products, or any technical support or assistance if they are requiring, you are going to associate. That is, you are going to assist them, not associate. You are going to assist them. Okay, so that is actually the nature of job. You are going to work as a seller support person. Okay, so that is a seller support associate. Now let us have a look on the qualification. Do you feel trapped in your first job, and are you interested in going for a job switch, or if you are interested in having a new job, then Relevel is actually a best platform for you, for those candidates who are freshers and also for persons who are interested in having a job switch. Relevel is actually a very good platform, and it is a free of cost venture. So here you can actually find your dream job or your dream companies. The companies like Urban Company, Upgrad, Meesho, Razorpay, these companies hire through this platform which is called Relevel, and also you can find your dream package up to 15 lakhs per annum. So the process here, what you have to do to get a job is quite simple. What you have to do is you have to register here completely free of cost, and then you have to book a test slot. After booking the test slot, you have to record a video resume of yourself. In this video resume, you'll be actually talking about your skills, your background, everything. And then after that, you have to give a test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will actually be hired by these good companies, and you will get to work with your dream company. So you don't have to bother about going to the various company sites and applying multiple times. You can actually use this free of cost platform for finding your dream job. Okay. Also, if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Please do check out the link. I'll be putting in description. Basic qualification they are saying is any graduate. Any graduate is eligible to apply for this post. But they have given one thing other than BTech and MBA freshers. If you are having MBA with some experience, you can apply. But MBA freshers, they are not looking for. Also BTech candidates, they are not looking for. So if you are from a BCom background or a BSc background, any 3-year graduation or diploma can apply. Okay, so that is the requirement. Okay, language is English. Experience with customer service environment is preferred. Desire to expand skills into new area. Then technical survey or technical support related job this is. So you are actually going to work with the computer. You are going to if there is some problem with the committed seller advocate, drive process and tool improvements. Okay, so you are going to actually work in association with the sellers actually. Okay, then strong prioritization and time management skill, embrace constant change and flexibility and good grace, demonstrate appropriate sense of urgency. This is actually basic skills which they are asking for. Now the skill set which they have included is MS Office, Application Excel and Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Means you should have the basic knowledge of a web browser. Also you should be good in handling with the Microsoft tools like Word and Excel and all. Okay, so that is the basic qualification. So any graduation is preferred. They are not clearly asking for any experience. Okay, but in the preferred qualification session, they have mentioned one thing. If you are having some experience in the customer support or that area, you will be preferred. Okay, so experience with the customer service environment preferred. So if you have some previous BPO related or IT related or customer service related experience, you can apply, and there is high chances of you for getting selected here. Okay, they have anyway mentioned that things in the preferred qualification. Other candidates, means freshers, can also definitely apply for this job. So in the preferred qualification, they have mentioned the educational requirements as any graduation. Again, language is English, so you can actually you should have a proficiency in English. That is the requirement. Okay, so that's all for the job that is job requirements and eligibility criteria for seller support associate. A lot of people has actually got selected for this post, because after the COVID situation, this online platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. So due to this COVID situation, this Amazon, like online platforms, online selling platforms mainly, the Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, all these platforms has actually a lot of requirement. So they are hiring more and more employees. So if you are interested in working with any of these firms or any of these organizations, this is the right time. You should try for this. Okay. So that's all for the requirements. Now talking about the selection process here, Amazon definitely has a pattern of selection, especially for this customer service or IT or support related positions. The first stage is going to be a Word test. So in the Word test, mainly they are going to analyze your the language skills or your communication skills. And the second stage is going to be aptitude test or aptitude related questions will be there. And also there will be technical rounds. In the technical rounds, you will be, facing face-to-face interviews. Also, they will be testing whether you are comfortable in using with the internet, the browsers and all. So only basic things they are asking for, and they'll be surely testing you on all those domains. Okay. So that is going to be the selection process. So the main requirement is you need to have a good communication skills. That is, you need to have good communication skill, and then you need to have a ability to work. That is, you should be willing to work in flexible hours. So these are the requirements mainly. So if you are having a good communication skill, and if you are having the basic knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, and internet related knowledge, so that's all about the job description and the eligibility criteria. Now talking about the selection process, we know that Amazon has a separate pattern of selection process itself. There will be grammar test, there will be Word test, and also they'll be actually assessing for your communication skills. So this is actually a job where you require good communication skills. You have to interact with the sellers and you have to assist them, right? So there'll be tests like write an email, or there'll be some jumbled up words given to you, and you have to properly arrange them and make a meaningful sentence. So these type of tests will be there to actually analyze your communication skills and your language skills. Okay, so there'll be grammar test, there'll be words and rounds, and then there'll be HR round. This is going to be the general pattern of Amazon selection process. So that's all about the selection process here. You can expect a salary above 25,000 minimum on a monthly basis. So this is actually going to be a work from home job because of this COVID situation especially. After that, you will have to relocate to the Bengaluru location, which is the location details given here. Okay. So if you are interested in working as a seller support associate, you can definitely try for this job. The link I'll be putting in description. Also, I have given you a good detail about what is going to be your nature of job. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. I'm trying to bring up maximum useful contents through my videos. So if you are finding those videos useful, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the video with your friends. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching. Please keep supporting. Thank you.